Hola a todos, and welcome to our very first lesson in the Spanish course for beginners. I am absolutely thrilled to embark on this linguistic journey with you. Today, we're diving into the absolute essentials, hola and adiós, greetings and introductions. Think of this lesson as your passport to starting conversations and making a fantastic first impression in Spanish. It's not just about knowing words, it's about connecting with people, showing respect, and opening doors to new experiences. So, let's start with the most fundamental greeting. Hola. It's simple, it's universal, and it works any time of day with anyone. Unlike English, where we might say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, hola means hello, period. It's your go-to word. And how about saying goodbye? That's adiós. Again, straightforward and effective. Notice how the H in hola is silent. It's pronounced like hola, similar to the hola in wave but without the W. This is a very common feature in Spanish pronunciation, so pay close attention to it. Now, once you've said hello, the next natural step is to introduce yourself. In Spanish, we don't say, my name is, quite literally. Instead, we use a reflexive verb construction, me llamo, your name. This translates more accurately to, I call myself your name. For example, I would say, me llamo, my name. Go ahead, try it with your own name right now. Me llamo. It feels a little different at first, doesn't it? But it's crucial for authenticity. And if you want to ask someone else their name, you would say, ¿Cómo te llamas? This literally means, how do you call yourself, but functions as, what is your name? The inverted question mark at the beginning is a visual cue that a question is coming, a unique and helpful feature of written Spanish. Beyond greetings and introductions, politeness is paramount in any language, and Spanish is no exception. Two phrases you absolutely must know are por favor, for please, and gracias, for thank you. These are your social lubricants. Imagine you're at a cafe and you want a coffee. You wouldn't just point or say coffee. You'd say un café, por favor. And after you receive it, you always say gracias. These phrases show respect and create a positive interaction. Think of them as the magic words that make everything run smoothly. Let's put this into a little scenario. Picture yourself meeting someone new at a social gathering. You approach them, make eye contact, and say, hola. Then, with a friendly smile, you follow up with, me llamo, your name. They might respond in kind, perhaps saying, hola, me llamo Maria. You've successfully initiated a basic, respectful conversation. Now, suppose you need something, maybe a pen. You'd ask, un bolígrafo, por favor. And when they hand it to you, a clear, sincere gracias is in order, every single time. Using these phrases isn't just about grammar, it's about cultural etiquette and fostering genuine connections. Consider how these simple phrases can transform your interactions. Without hola or adiós, you're essentially walking around in silence. Without me llamo, you're an anonymous face. And without por favor and gracias, you risk appearing impolite or demanding. These aren't just vocabulary words, they are the building blocks of social interaction. They are the keys to showing that you are engaged, respectful, and eager to communicate. Think about a time you traveled to a foreign country where you didn't speak the language. Even knowing just hello and thank you in the local tongue can make a huge difference in how people perceive you and how willing they are to help. It instantly breaks down barriers. Spanish is no different. Mastering these initial phrases is your first step towards becoming a more confident and capable communicator in a new language. It's empowering to be able to engage even on a basic level. So, to recap, we've covered hola for hello, adiós for goodbye, how to introduce yourself with me llamo, your name, and how to ask someone else's name with ¿Cómo te llamas? Crucially, we've also integrated the power of por favor for please and gracias for thank you. These seemingly small words are the giants of polite communication. Practice these phrases daily. Say them in the mirror, use them with friends if they're willing, or even just internally as you go about your day. Repetition is your best friend here. Mastering these greetings and introductions is your fundamental first step in Spanish. It's exciting because you can already start using what you've learned today, immediately. This foundation will serve you incredibly well as we move forward. Next time, we'll build on these introductions by learning how to ask and answer ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Expanding your ability to engage in simple yet meaningful conversations. Hasta la próxima lección.